Here on this Nissan, I obviously have a broken door handle off. I don't know what happened here, but I got to remove the door panel because there's a bunch of stuff, you know, connected to the door handle that's not there anymore, I see. Here's the broken one. See, that part's all missing. That'd be nice to reuse it, but unfortunately, I got it gray, just not this gray. I could not find one that actually matched. But this will get her by. It's an older vehicle. There we go. There we go. Well, those are deep in there. Okay, that's done. All right, I got the windows up, and it looks like got two 10 millimeters. Looking in there, you can kind of see that yellow. Oh yeah, that sucks. Okay. So let me get everything disconnected and then I'll bring you along. So what I'm gonna do is get in there. It's a T27, they said. See if that's far enough. Okay, looks far enough. Okay, see, it just goes into there right there. Now I'm just going to take this out a little bit. Alright, so that was kind of a pain. I'm going to take you up here as far as I can get you. Alright. Alright, so I got it. Now you have to push to the front of the car. I can't stick my hand up there because you're up there with that rod that I showed you. That, not the rod, the actual the hinge, the actually part that the actuator. Now push it back, then you come out the outside of the car and slide the door handle in, and then at the same time shift the door handle, which locks it into place. So that's all done. That's how it'll look like on the outside. That's much better. Now we're going to put this thing back. Now what we're going to need is that metal rod back up into place. There's that. Now I'm going to take this, slide it in, reach my hand up there, hold this black bracket into place. Okay, so that's in there. Now I'm going to slide this in. Now at this point I got it pulled closer to this side. There we go. There, now that's locked into place. Okay, put that gasket back. Pull this rod back. Slide this back in like so. Okay, so here's what I'm looking at. So I can get it in there. You can push the rod through the back, but you gotta, once you get the rod, you gotta rotate this around. That's where I'm having my most problems. All right, so that sucked, but it's not impossible. Let's get this line back up. Oh, that was such a huge pain. There we have it. It's kind of sticking. There we go. Okay, we're just gonna have to grease it probably. I don't know, look into it more. But anyways, it has the door handle install. Yeah, that part's a pain. Gotta come back and hook back up the wiring harness, which goes right there. Put that back on, you know how to reverse the rest. But anyways, yeah, like I said, it should be pretty simple. But man, I could not get that bolt to go back in. It took forever. The bolt actually doesn't come out. It's got two plastic studs that hold it, so if you go left too far, it doesn't move. So, but anyways, I got that locked in and matches for the most part.